Hey there, health enthusiasts. Tired of store-bought salad dressings packed with preservatives and artificial ingredients? Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own healthy and delicious salad dressings at home. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. First up, let's talk about the basics. You really only need 3 main ingredients for a fantastic salad dressing: olive oil, vinegar, and herbs. Simple, right? Olive oil is packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. Vinegar adds a tangy kick and helps with digestion. And herbs? They bring flavor, freshness, and even more health benefits to the table. Alright, let's dive into our first recipe, a classic vinaigrette. Here's what you'll need: 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt and pepper, fresh herbs like parsley or basil, finely chopped. Combine the olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and Dijon mustard in a bowl. Whisk it together until it's well mixed. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, and don't forget those fresh herbs for an added burst of flavor. Give it one last whisk and boom! You've got yourself a tasty homemade vinaigrette. Next, let's spice things up with a zesty lemon herb dressing. For this, you'll need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, a clove of garlic minced, a pinch of salt and pepper, fresh thyme or dill, finely chopped. In a small bowl, mix the olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and honey. Add the minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Finally, throw in some chopped thyme or dill. Whisk everything together until well combined. This dressing is perfect for brightening up any salad with a citrusy zing. Lastly, let's make a creamy avocado dressing. Here's what you'll need: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 clove of garlic minced, a pinch of salt and pepper. Scoop the avocado into a blender. Add olive oil, lime juice, and minced garlic. Blend until smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This creamy dressing is rich, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. See? Making your own salad dressings at home is easy, healthy, and fun. Plus, you can customize them to suit your taste. So, next time you reach for that store-bought bottle, remember these simple recipes and give them a try. Your salads and your body will be grateful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite homemade dressing. Stay healthy, my friends.